In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a post on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just stop right here at your profile picture to head over to your Instagram profile page. That's where we can easily find all our posts on Instagram, and then let's say if we wanna delete a post from here, all we have to do is just open it up. Then at the upper right corner, tap at three dots, and then down below hit delete. To confirm the deletion, hit at delete again. Now if we go to our profile page, we can see that the post has just been successfully deleted. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.